Trader focus, volatility index, the VIX. What is it about? It's about one thing. It tells you when market tops are put in and when market bottoms are put in. That's exactly what it tells you. We spiked up here to a 30. I'm going to draw a trend line right here, everybody, on this. This is how we gauge when we're going to go long the markets with markets selling off as they are now. We could see other peaks back in other years. This is back in 22. Oh, yeah. Oh, boy. But let me tell you what. We are right up at the top. This is a 1.5 year high in the fear indicator, and it will tell you that people are unloading stocks when this goes higher, everybody. You can see it right here. Yes, it's a daily chart. One of the other things that we will show is the weekly chart. You can see a clear spike that's right up to 30. Generally, when we start seeing these kind of spikes up there and that kind of fear, we could very well be in the beginning stages of setting up a bottom, and they can take time. But this is one of the 3 or 4 indicators that we use, but this one tells us what everybody's doing. When the fear goes up, everybody's selling. When the fear goes down, everybody's buying. Once again, sign up for that free 5-day trial. We're here to do what? We're here to make money with you. Yes, we're here to develop a friendship with you. We're here to take this level way up. Yes, we are. Let's start it today. Let's not hesitate.